Jamaicans Taylor, Goule and Thomas-Dodd achieved mixed results at Bislett Games. Christopher Cobby Taylor of Jamaica took the third place position in the men's 400 meters today in a race that was won by Kirani James of Grenada in a time of 44.78 seconds. Taylor finished the race in 45.52 seconds, with Isaac McLeod of Botswana finishing in 45.45 seconds to take the second place position. In the women's shot put event, Chase Ely of the USA finished in top position with her best throw being a personal best of 20.13 meters to beat Jessica Schilder of the Netherlands, whose personal best of 19.46 was not enough to give chase to the winner. Third place was taken by Oriol Dongma of Portugal with a throw of 19.43, and Jamaica's Danniel Thomas-Dodd placed fourth with 19.04 meters. The women's 800-meter event saw Keely Hodgkinson of Great Britain winning in 1 minute 57.71 seconds, while Laura Muir finished in 1 minute 58.09 seconds for the second place. Jamaica's Natoya Goule was relegated to the 6th place position with a time of 1 minute 59.31 seconds. Omar McLeod of Jamaica ended up not challenging for the win in the men's 110-meter hurdles event, as he ended up not starting at all in the event. His rival, Devon Allen of the USA, defeated the field to win in 13.22 seconds, while Asier Martinez of Spain took second place in 13.30 seconds.